today we got this Shopkins playset, and it comes with 4 ice creams and 2 exclusive Shopkins. I'm so excited. So guys, it's the world vacation and it also comes with the Gelati Scooter. Let's open it, guys! Hey, this is shaped like a... I think this is shaped like a briefcase. It comes with a boarding pass. So guys, let's get into it. I think these are the ice cream holders for these little cute mini ice creams. Gonna put them all in. Okie dokie. And now there's these 2 big giant ice creams. And they go right here. Guys, look at the scooter. So now let's put the doll on the scooter. Yay, she fits! And this is her stand. Let's put her on her stand. So guys, it has an umbrella and a cute little spoon. And it has ice creams. And a motorcycle. A normal motorcycle. So guys, it comes with a headband that has an ice cream on it. And she has 2 buns, which are different colours, blue and pink. Hey, she has corn legs. Let's play. Hey, would you like an ice cream? Sure. Which one would you like? Would you like mint? Would you like strawberry? Or orange? Or purple? Which one? I'll have strawberry, thank you. Nom 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 nom. Yummy. Let's ride the bike. Your hair. Let's see if she can sit on the motorcycle in the bike. Once. There we go. Whee! Guys, let's deliver some ice cream! Oh no! It's fallen! Oh no, my ice creams! What am I gonna do? Quickly place them back on. Oh no! This is a disaster. Wait a minute. Where's my shoes? I left my shoes behind. Oh no! Hey, her shoes are ice cream. Look. Pink cones. What a silly combination. There we go. And now you can deliver some ice cream. Come on. Okay, hopefully it doesn't fall off. First stop. I'll put it on her doorstep instead. Run! Where am I? Am I alone? Oh, I'm gonna get eaten. And this bike doesn't stay up straight, it keeps on falling.